Good morning, Rattlers. Today I wanted to do some more density practice, so I'm taking our classwork from yesterday and I'm going to walk you through how to do it. So the problem that our classwork yesterday asked us is to calculate the density of the metals below. And here we have a chart that's giving us 4 different metals with each metal's mass and volume, and it's asking us to find the density. This problem is asking us to do a lot of different things, so we want to make sure that we stay organized when we're doing our calculations. So I'm going to start with the metal gold, and I've actually written gold here to keep myself organized. So if you remember, when we calculate density, we are looking for the mass divided by the volume. So the two things that we need to know are the mass and the volume. Here you can find both the mass and the volume of gold. So the mass of gold is 10.83 grams, and the volume is 0.561 centimeters cubed. Now we have both of the things that we need to have in order to find the density. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to plug them in. So density is mass over volume. So we're going to take the mass, which is 10.83, and we're going to divide it by the volume, which is 0.561. I'm going to take out my calculator, and I have 10.83 divided by 0.561. I'm going to have 19.3. So the density, 19.3 grams per centimeter cubed. And I'm going to go ahead and write that up here in my chart. So now that I've finished gold, I'm going to move on to silver. So I'm going to write silver on the side of my paper to keep myself organized. And I know that I need to find the mass and the volume in order to find the density. So the mass of silver is 5.88 grams, and the volume is 0.561 centimeters cubed. So I'm going to do the same thing. I know that density is mass over volume, so it's mass divided by volume. I'm just going to plug in what I have. So the mass is 5.88, and my volume is 0.561. I'm going to clear my calculator. 5.88 divided by 0.561. I have 10.48. I'm going to go to the tenths, but because my hundredths is above 5, I'm going to go ahead and round up to 10.5. So my density is going to be 10.5 grams per centimeter cubed. And I would go ahead and write that up here as well. I'm going to leave you to go ahead and calculate the density for platinum and copper. But remember, if you ever need help, you can give me a call. You have my phone number.